Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to send a voice message on your iPhone quickly and easily. This is perfect for sending audio notes instead of typing a long message. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and then here tap the new message icon at the top to start a conversation. Next, tap the plus icon and select Audio, and this will open the recording interface. Press and hold the record button and speak your message. Once you're done recording, you can release the button. And after recording, tap the send button to deliver the voice message to the recipient. You can also replay it before sending to make sure that it sounds perfect. And that's it. You've successfully sent a voice message on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching!